everyone, today's recipe is melonpan, which I received a lot of requests, so I'm finally making this tutorial. I'm not a person who loves to spend too much time on cooking, so I kind of cut corners for this recipe, so some people might think it weird, but I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy.
The following are the ingredients: cream the butter in a large bowl. Add sugar and beat until creamy. Add the beaten egg little by little and mix well. Sift in the flour and the baking powder. And mix well until it forms. Place the cookie dough on the plastic wrap. And shape it into a log and wrap. And rest the dough in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Cut the hot dog bun into 12 pieces. And of course, you can use any kind of fluffy bun. Preheat the oven when you think you are ready. Cut the cookie dough into 12 pieces. And shape them into balls. And roll out the cookie dough between 2 layers of plastic wrap. Place the bun in the center. And then close it in the cookie dough. Use a plastic wrap in a flipping motion to form it nice and round. Roll in the granulated sugar. Place them on a cookie sheet and score the cookie dough in a crisscross pattern. And bake for about 10 minutes. Depending on the heat of the oven, cooking time may differ, so please watch out. Place them on a rack to cool. And now it's done! All you want to do is to coat the bread with cookie dough, so you can make it as big as you want or small as you want. Just like a melon pan, it's very fluffy inside. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.